How do we do astro travel outside of our body? Rajaram, this is a video for you. Be blessed by the divine. This is Krish, Murali, Eswar from simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com. Astro travel. How do we do it? In our physical body, there is an astral body made up of subatomic infinitesimal energy particle, otherwise called as the ether energy particles. This gives rise to a magnetic body called as the causal body. The astral body and the causal body cannot be separated from each other. However, 51% of our ether energy particles, if they come out of the physical body, then the astral body becomes a separate existence, that of the physical body. And when that happens, we experience out of body experience. And such a travel, willfully, if we are able to travel, is called the Astro Travel. In 1987, in the year of 1987, in Aliyar Temple of Consciousness, in the Master's course, our Guru, Yogiraj Vethathiri Maharishi, taught me Astro Travel, in which we were trained by our Guru to meditate at a certain chakra the previous night before going to bed, and we were asked to meditate before getting out of the bed. Swamiji would come very early in the morning at 5:30 and he will sit in the stage and he will start the meditation, and he will ask us to meditate at a particular chakra, and slowly with his meditative powers, and he will ask us to imagine holding his hands and elevate ourselves out of the body. After we move up by about a foot or so, again he will ask us to move up by another about 8 feet or 10 feet or so to the edge of the ceiling of the room in which we were meditating, and he would ask us to turn around, look at the body. What a beautiful feeling it is to see our own body lying out there while we sense and perceive the body from out of our body. And from there he will ask us to go up to the moon and then travel to any part of the world, preferably to the known places to begin with, and then we can go to unknown places as well. Once this meditation is done, then he will slowly bring us back to the room, and then about a foot above us, and then into our chakras and into our body. There is, he used to say, a silver cord that connects our body, the physical body, with the astral body. Therefore, the astral body cannot get lost from our physical body. It will certainly remain linked together. So wherever we go, we will automatically draw ourselves back to our physical body. And therefore, there will be no fear that something like this can create complications in ourselves. However, this meditation can be slightly tiresome to do. Therefore, Swamiji used to tell us that don't get into high physical exertion the day before this meditation or the day on which you are doing the meditation. Make sure that the day is spent, both days are spent on spiritual work, days are spent on meditation, exercises, relaxation, and take up light mental work rather than strong physical work. avoid any physical labor, avoid doing great jogging or gym or exercising of that sort. Do light exercises that Swamiji has taught, learn the meditation practices and do it regularly, do Kayakalpa yoga, and preferably sit in silence if you can. Increase the amount of biomagnetic energy that you may have in your body, and therefore all of this will help you in this wonderful Astro Travel meditation. Having said that, this meditation has been stopped. By the second half of 90s, I think this meditation got stopped because in certain countries around the world, particularly in the Middle East, this meditation was declared to be illegal for whatever reasons. I don't see anything illegal about it. That is my personal opinion. But then the rulers of that country had declared this to be illegal. So we must respect that country's law. There are people who are practicing Kundalini meditation in United Arab Emirates and various other places around the Middle East, and where this meditation has been banned as illegal. So this meditation we do not practice anymore. We do not teach to anybody anymore, only to respect the law of the land there in the Middle East. And likewise, we don't want this to be taught to anyone over the internet or in our meditation center anywhere. It is the decision of the president of the World Community Service Center not to teach this in any of our Sky Yoga centers. Rajaram, I made this video for you to quickly understand what this meditation is all about. In broad perspective, I am not giving you the details. I am not able to give you the details because of the reasons that I have just given to you right now. And there is probably no need for this meditation also going forward, because the Duryatita meditation is something very similar to an Astro Travel meditation, except that the chakra, the starting point chakra for a Duryatita meditation is Duryam. When the 51% of the life force particles go out of the Durya chakra to Dvadasangam, to the moon, to the sun, to the universal energy field, Shakti Kalam, to Shiva Kalam, to the Almighty Force, automatically you will experience an out-of-body experience, an astral travel experience, and that is not banned, it is not illegal, highly beneficial, highly useful, and this is something that you can practice on a regular basis. There are also other forms of the similar meditation that have been developed. There are advanced forms of the same meditation in the Irai Nilai meditation, the divine state meditation, or the almighty consciousness meditation. If you have learned Brahmanyana course, the God consciousness divine state course that Swamiji has been kind enough to teach all of us, then you will certainly be able to practice and experience a very similar experience to that of an astral travel. So therefore, I hope this is highly beneficial for you to practice the meditations that are today being taught in our Sky Yoga centers. Thank you so much, Rajaram, for asking this question. I hope this answers your questions, and I hope this answer is useful for all the rest of you. If you have any other questions that you would like to ask me, feel free to comment on this video. If you like the video, like, share and comment, and make sure that this video goes to as many people as possible in the world so that they can benefit from this. Visit simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed by the divine.